Good morning, yogis, yoginis, and everyone in between. This is day 22 of your morning yoga journey. I'm Kit, and welcome to Yoga with Kit Souther. I'm so happy to see you guys. Okay, you guys are here. We are almost done, and I'm so proud of your consistency, of staying on course. Even if you missed a few days, don't worry about it. The thing is, you're here, you're on your mat, you're doing your thing, and that is literally the most important thing that you can do. Okay. So, like all the other days, we're going to start off with our morning affirmation. Today's affirmation is awesome. I love it. I think that it's something that we should all live by. If it's not just this daily affirmation, it is your motto throughout life. If you would like, I invite you to gently close your eyes and let this one set in. I grow and improve every day. We let that sink in. I'll repeat it again. I grow and improve every day. Okay, you guys, we're going to do our cleansing breaths, do our alms, and get into our practice. We inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. We begin with our first inhale and exhale. We inhale. We inhale. Our breath goes back to its normal rhythm. Great. If you're sitting on a block or a cushion, go ahead and get that out of the way. Today we are going to be doing some new fun asanas, poses. We're going to go ahead and take it into downward face. We're going to take it into tabletop position. We're going to do some nice little back warm-ups. We're going to drop the belly, inhale. Doing some nice cat-cows. We're going to exhale. Navel to spine, pushing away from the mat. We inhale, dropping the belly, arching the back, opening up through the chest. Exhale, curving the spine, pushing away. Let's do that 2 more times. We inhale, dropping the belly, arching the back. And exhale, pushing away, really hollowing out the chest here. 1 more, we inhale. And we exhale, taking it to a neutral spine, doing some little circles with the ankles. And then whenever you're ready, we have our hands out wide, preparing for our base, and we take it into downward facing dog. Right, pedaling it out, rocking the hips from side to side. We're going to lift up that right leg. We're going to exhale, taking it all the way through, framing the hands, dropping that back knee. Inhale, taking it to a low crescent lunge. And we're going to exhale, bringing that left foot to meet the right. And our forward fold, Uttanasana. We're going to inhale, straight back, exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. We're going to have a slight bend in the knees. We're going to inhale, hands come up, taking it into chair pose, Utkatasana, right? And then we're going to exhale, Uttanasana, forward fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. We're going to inhale, hands come into chair pose. We're sitting. Utkatasana. And exhale, Uttanasana. Standing forward fold. We're going to take that left foot back, drop down that back knee again. We're going to inhale, taking it into a low crescent lunge. And as we exhale, we're going to take it into downward facing dog. Right, you guys? So we grow and improve every day. We're doing a little different practice than we have. Right, but just keep growing, keep improving. I said I'd go ahead and use some of the Sanskrit words just so we can familiarize ourselves with them. From here, we're going to lift up that left leg, taking it all the way through, dropping down now that right knee. We're going to inhale, low crescent lunge. Taking a breath here, and as we exhale, we bring that right foot to meet the left. Uttanasana, standing forward fold. We're going to inhale, straightening out that back. We're going to exhale, Uttanasana, forward fold. As we inhale, we're going to take our hands into chair pose, Utkatasana, right? So we're here, our knees are together, we're gazing up. We're going to exhale, forward fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. We're going to inhale, we go into chair pose one more time. Right, really staying here. Everything is strong, our abs are engaged. We exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Now from here, we're going to take that right foot back, drop down that back knee. We're going to inhale, low lunge. And exhale, taking it to downward facing dog. Pedaling it out, warming up the body. Great job, you guys. From here, we're going to drop it down to the knees. We're going to do chin and chest. We inhale, bringing it all the way through. Baby cobra, tops of the feet are on the mat. We're going to exhale, tucking those back toes, taking it to balasana. And then taking it back to downward facing dog. Pedaling it out. From here, we're going to drop back down to the knees. Chin and chest come to the mat. Bhujangasana. We take it in to baby cobra. We exhale, taking it into balasana. We inhale. And on the exhale, we take it into downward facing dog. Allowing the neck here to fall, warming up the body, going at a little quicker pace than we have in the past. Beautiful. We're going to drop the knees down to the mat. We do one more cycle. Chin and chest. We inhale. Baby cobra. And we exhale, taking it to balasana. We inhale here. And as we exhale, we take it into downward facing dog. Great job, you guys. From here, we're going to drop it down to the knees. Tabletop position. From here, untuck the toes, taking it into balasana. Warming up the body, starting off the day. Allowing the mind to rest. Finding your breath here.
We rest here in Balasana, allowing the shoulders to fall, relaxing throughout the upper back, through the lower back, releasing any tension throughout the body. Allowing the heart center to fall to the mat. Whenever you're ready, using the hands, gently coming back up to thunderbolt position. We inhale, hands come above the head, palms together. We exhale, prayer hands to heart. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Namaste. Oh, okay, you guys, that's it for today's practice. Thank you so much. I hope that you enjoyed the practice. If you did, or if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe to my channel. Have a fantastic morning. Have a fantastic day. And remember that affirmation. I love you all. Ciao.